Hello, my friends, followers, dear listeners. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Wish you best trading. Okay, all guys know as recently in upload I had told you soon we will upload one more boom and crash spike catching strategy. So this strategy on way. So let's set up the strategy. But one more thing I want to say you. Please, before any question, kindly watch my video till end. I will explain all things, all points, basic and advanced about strategy. Okay? So please is my humble request. Kindly watch till end. You will understand all things. Thanks for watching. So let's start the setup strategy. First of all, in your PC, simply Control N. After Control N, you will see the navigator window. Okay, look here, navigator. I will open the navigator. First of all, we will choose from trend moving average. Moving average. Okay, simply drop on chart 10 period simple moving average. 10 period simple moving average. Color choose any, apply to close and just simply click OK. Okay, again one more moving average. This will be period 3. Okay, just simply change your color and you like. Okay, and just simply click on OK. So now it's time to set up the strategy. So watch my instruction and setups. Okay, that's the next one. You have to choose from accelerators RSI. Pick this RSI and drop on your chart. Okay, just simply click on parameters, choose only one, not 14 period, no, one period. Choose to apply to close, style any, and come on level window. Add 30 level, 70, 10 and 90, and one more level 50, and that 50 in description weight zone, right? Weight zone. Okay, and simply click on OK. Look here, that empty indicator window appears here. So let's add more things. We have to add in RSI window. Look here, in RSI moving average. Okay, choose 3, period 3, simple method, apply to close, color any, no problem, and simply click on OK. One more, it will be 5 period. Okay, and choose color any you like and simply click on OK. And one more, add one more moving average, choose for this period 7 and click on OK after changing the color. Okay, that last one, moving average, choose for this 5 period and change color, pick any color, no problem. Okay, that 5 already added. So next one, from accelerators, choose stochastic accelerator and drop on your chart. 9 K period and D period 3, slowing also 3, and leave all settings on default and simply click on OK. So now our strategy uploaded. How using this strategy we will trade and catch the spikes on boom and crash. So watch how I will show you this. So simply you have to follow my steps. Okay, so let's start. Look here, one spike. Okay, market comes on RSI 30 level, RSI 30 level, and that stochastic on 0 level. Okay, once market cross this 30 and fall down, and stochastics also stay in zero our sold in our sold level. So let's place for spike, place trade for spike. Look here, spike. Okay, one more deep example. Look this spike. Stochastic is near our sold. Okay, but our moving average is on RSI 50 level. So this is weight zone, weight zone. So we will ignore this. No, don't trade. Okay, we have to catch good signal. Look here, that market on stochastic, our sold, RSI, our sold, and moving averages, our sold on 0 point. Okay, once you seen like this confirmation of signal, place a trade for spike. And look here, spike. Look this point, market comes on our sold level, RSI our sold level, and stochastic on our sold level. That moving averages give us confirmation that market is going to back, because this is an our sold level, and also stochastic our sold level. And look here, and look this spike, and look one more example. Look here, if you want to catch more spikes, look this. You must always follow RSI. Look here, this spike, and look this point, our sold, and look stochastic our sold, RSI our sold, in the market spike. Okay, look one more example. Let me show you one more example. How that confirms signal of spikes. Look this spike, this spike. This spike. And look this RSI on our sold level, stochastic also on our sold level. Stochastic gives a signal that market is going to spike. And look here, RSI moving averages also told us this is spike time. And look here, spike. Okay, let me explain more deeply. One more example. Look here, spike, that moving averages on our sold level, and stochastic also on our sold level. Okay, let me tell some things about this. Look here, we have added 90 level, 70, 50, 30 and 10. You have to focus on 90 level. Once market cross this level and start going down, look here, market started going down, and also look these dots. At least market touch our sold level. Look this 10 level, our sold level. Once we see that moving averages confirm market is on our sold point. Okay, so let's confirm with stochastic accelerator. Look here, stochastic also gives a signal of confirmation that market is deeply oversold, is ranking in our sold level. Look here, from how long? But that moving average always give you confirmation of fast signal. And look here, stochastic is down, and look, moving averages of RSI is down, so it's time to spike. And look here, spike appear. Look my levels. So I hope you guys understand Let me give you one more example. Look this spike. This spike market on our sold on 30 level. Stochastic also told us that market is going to be spike. And look here, spike. Okay, next one. Very awesome signal. Look here. Spike RSI moving averages on 10 level. Look here. All moving averages on 10 level mean on our sold. Stochastic also on our sold. And look, spike, a big spike. And look after this how many spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is very awesome strategy. You have to understand first, try on demo, and once you understand all things, try and make more money. For any help, you can feel free ask me. I will send my WhatsApp and email in description. Look at the last example. Spike, RSI on oversold, stochastic on oversold, and spike. If you want to set up on phone, same settings apply on your mobile phone, MT5 terminal, and use. Thanks for watching. I hope all guys understand